Did you know there's a place in the USA that feels like Earth's own furnace? Imagine stepping outside and the air scorches your skin, like opening the door of an oven. In this place, summer heat doesn't just rise, it crushes everything. The ground can sizzle past 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Tires melt, water bottles warp, and breathing feels almost impossible. Huge mountains trap the hot air like a lid, making the valley below one of the deadliest places on the planet. And yet, thousands of tourists still come every year, just to test their limits. In 1913, this spot reached 134 degrees, the hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth. So where is this hell on Earth? It's Death Valley, California.